Hello, in today's video I will show you how to grow a bead faster naturally using home remedy. You're gonna fill patchy bead and make it grow faster. The first one is like you have to use onion. You have to peel off the back of the onion. Use red onion. Then after you grate the onion, grate it well. Onion contains sulfur, which helps to fill patchy bead and which helps to prevent hair breakage. So after you have grated the onion, then you have to extract the onion juice. You have to extract the juice from it. See the juice of the onion. After you have extracted the onion juice, then we will add 1 spoonful of coconut oil. 1 spoonful of coconut oil. Then you have to add another ingredient, which is castor oil. You will add again 1 spoonful of castor oil. This ingredient helps for bead growth and is also help for moisturization. When you are rubbing it, it will enter into the roots and improve it from the root. After you have added this ingredient, then you have to stir it very well. Stir all of them together. After mixing all of them together, all the ingredients we have added, then you have to use it on your bead. It will help to grow the bead and it will help to fill the patchy bead. You will apply it using maybe cotton bud or anything you have at home. See how it is. It will help to grow the bead and fill all the patchy bead. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel and share.